In this video, I'm going to look at substitution. Now, to substitute means to replace a variable with a number. So, for example, if I want to work out part A, 3q minus 2r, I'm going to replace these variables, q and r, with numbers. So q is 4, so I'll end up with, sorry, q is -2, so I'll end up with 3 multiplied by -2 minus 2 into bracket, r is 3. Now remember, these are the numbers that I'm replacing into this equation, all right? So, and then you have to work that out. So this will be -6 minus 6, which will be -12. You can as well use your calculator to work this out. But B, we have 2pq minus r. So 2 multiplied by p, which is 4 multiplied by r, multiplied by q, which is -2, minus r, which is 3. So remember, what I've done again is I've substituted in these values, okay? So what you end up with is 2 multiplied by 4, that is 8 multiplied by 2, -16 minus 3, which will be -19. In part D, we have P, which is 4, minus 2Q, which is -2, plus 2, R, which is 3, over P plus R, which is 4 plus 3. Now, this will be equal to, now if you remember what I've again substituted here is P, Q, and R, that and that, all those have been substituted into that equation. Anyway, let's carry on. So we'll end up with 4. Sorry. So I'll end up with 4. A negative and a negative, that will give me a positive. So positive 4 plus 6 over 7. This will give me 14 over 7, which will be equal to 2. Example 2, I start with 2a. In 2a, we are required to find the value of 2s squared. So remember to use brackets. So 2 multiplied by a, which is -3 squared. The number that I've replaced is that. Okay. Now, if I carry on, I'll end up with -6 squared, which will be a -6 and -6. That will be 36. You can as well just plug in your calculator to get that answer. But B, I have 2s squared, so 2 in bracket. A is -3 squared. Remember, what I've replaced again is -3 here. So what I will end up with here is 2 multiplied by 9, because -3 squared is 9. That will be equal to 18. In part C, what I have is A plus B. Remember, use brackets. So A is -3, B is -4 squared. So that is -7 squared. 7 times 7 is 49, negative and negative, positive. So positive 49. D, we have B plus C, which is -4 plus -1 cubed. That is -5 cubed, which means -5 multiplied by -5 multiplied by -5, which will be -125. And again, you can use your calculator to calculate these answers.